Hello everyone, I know it's been a while, a long while, but I unfortunately had not been able to record, which I might have made a post about that. Sorry if I didn't, but yeah, unfortunately I have not been able to post anything, or, well, record anything lately, but thankfully now I can. So today I'm going to be, well, first off, I'd like to say I've seen these videos where people use pepper to make them sneeze, and they say that the pepper is going to make them sneeze. So, since I will not be using pepper, I will be using my faithful Q-tip. I decided, why not try a video where I say the Q-tip's going to make me sneeze? Which, I know I'm the one that's going to be tickling my nose with it, but, I just thought that would be interesting, since I've never seen anyone do a video like that before. So, let's try this. Okay, I've got it in my nose, and the Q-tip's good. Oh. Oh my goodness, that was crazy. Okay, I did not expect to sneeze that much, but honestly, when I first put it in, that felt good. That was a nice tickle. But usually, I think it usually is the best the first time, but it seems to make me sneeze the most, or quicker, the first time I do it. Okay. Oh my. Okay, I'm gonna put it back in. Hopefully this time I'll be able to talk a little bit more. Oh, the Q-tip's gonna make me sneeze. Oh my. Oh, it's so tickly. Oh. Oh. Very tickly. Okay. Okay. Third time's a charm. Oh, the Q-tip's gonna make me sneeze. The Q-tip's gonna make me sneeze. Oh my, I can't even say it. It's so tickly. Oh. Whew. Oh, the Q-tip's gonna make me sneeze. Q-tip. Okay, that was crazy. Oh, Q-tip's gonna make me sneeze. Oh, I just cannot say that today. Oh, my goodness. Okay, let's try this again. Hopefully I'll be able to say it a couple more times. More than just really once or twice. I hope. Oh, I hope so. Okay. The Q-tip's gonna make me sneeze. The Q-tip's gonna make me sneeze. Oh, it's gonna... Oh. Okay, I was able to say it a couple more times that time. Oh. Seems like after I do it a couple times, it tends to slow down. Oh, the Q-tip's gonna make me sneeze. Oh, it's gonna. Oh, oh, it's gonna. I have to. Oh, 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 I. It tickles. Oh. Okay, I may not be able to do this much more. My nose is kind of stuffy. Oh, oh, the Q-tip's gonna make me sneeze. The Q-tip's gonna make me sneeze. It tickles. Oh, oh, my nose, it tickles. Oh, the Q-tip's gonna make me sneeze. Q-tip is gonna. Ooh. Oh. Q-tip's gonna make me sneeze. It's gonna. Okay, let me just try one more time. And then I think I'm done. Okay. Oh, Q-tip's gonna make me sneeze. Q-tip's gonna make me sneeze. Ugh. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Bye.